Well, viewers, 10 days back, the return of 104 illegal Indians from the United States had sparked a massive outrage across the nation. From parliament to the streets, the opposition had staged dramatic protests demanding answers from the centre over the quote-unquote prisoner treatment of the deportees. And amid this raging controversy, all eyes were on the Prime Minister's interaction with the newly elected US President Donald Trump and the duo's first bilateral since the latter assumed office. The Prime Minister set the record straight, and in a clear message, he reiterated India's stance on the illegal immigration issue, saying that India is ready to take back the people living in the United States illegally. While extending support to the US President on the matter, he highlighted the need to destroy the entire ecosystem from the roots to end human trafficking.
जहां तक भारत और अमेरिका का सवाल है, हमने हमेशा कहा है कि जो वेरीफाइड होगा, कि जो सच्चे अर्थ में भारत का ही नागरिक होगा, वो अगर अमेरिका में गैर कानूनी तरीके से रहता है तो उसको वापस लेने के लिए भारत तैयार है। ये सामान्य परिवारों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनको बड़े बड़े सपने दिखाए जाते हैं और उनको ज्यादातर ऐसे होते हैं उनको गुमराह करके लाया जाता है, और इसलिए ये ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग में जुड़े हुए पूरे इकोसिस्टम पर हमने वार करना चाहिए। और अमेरिका और भारत मिलकर के हमारी कोशिश है और हमारी कोशिश रहनी चाहिए कि इस प्रकार की पूरी इकोसिस्टम को हमें जड़ मूल से नष्ट करना चाहिए।
Yes, it did figure during the discussions today, and the Prime Minister said, as I think he mentioned during the press conference as well, and during the discussions also he said that India has made its stand very clear that if there are illegal immigrants proven to be Indian citizens in any country abroad, we will take them back. But he did emphasize, and again I think he referred to this in his remarks at the press conference, but even during the discussions, he did emphasize that the return of illegal immigrants is not the end of the story. There is an ecosystem that thrives on this racket and that promotes and enables this racket. And it is the responsibility of both countries to do something about this.
Now, remember viewers, the statement comes just days after 104 Indians who were deported from the United States landed in Amritsar. The second batch of 119 Indian deportees is also set to land today as well as tomorrow on 2 special flights in Amritsar's Guru Ram Das International Airport. But now there's another controversy that has taken shape after the Punjab Chief Minister levelled a serious charge against the centre. This time, it's not just about the deportees but also the state where they land. Bhagwant Mann has questioned the centre as to why the deputies are landing in Punjab, alleging this is the centre's bid to defame the state. The BJP was quick to hit back at Mann, saying the Aam Aadmi Party doesn't seem to be losing a chance to even politicize a sensitive issue.
कि केंद्र सरकार जिहड़ी है वो पंजाब नाल हमेशा वितकरा धक्का जिथे मौका मिले वो जान नहीं दिंदे। पंजाबियां नूं बदनाम करन दा, पंजाब नूं बदनाम करन दा कोई मौका मिले वो जान नहीं दिंदे। और भावें वो किसानां दा मसला होवे वो पंजाब च पंजाबियां दा, भावें कोई RDF का पैसा रोक लिया है ना, पंजाब का रोक लिया। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स विदेश मंत्राला अमृतसर नूं क्यों चुनदे हो तुसीं? बदनाम करन वास्ते चुनदे हो, पंजाबियों नूं बदनाम करन वास्ते चुनदे हो तुसीं जान बुझ के, ताकि मीडिया कल्ले पंजाब में उतरा एक और गैर कानूनी प्रवासियों का जहाज।
देखिए, बेहद अफसोस की बात है कि इतने संवेदनशील मानवीय विषय पर भगवंत मान राजनीति करने से बाज नहीं आ रहे हैं। ये और उनका ये बयान कहीं ना कहीं मानवीय जो मूल्य हैं उन पर एक गहरा आघात है। ये विषय पर भगवंत मान को राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए और इस पर लेकिन जहाँ तक आम आदमी पार्टी उसके नेताओं का सवाल है, उनको देश की रक्षा सुरक्षा से या देश में मानवीय मूल्यों से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, उन्हें केवल अपनी राजनीति चमकाना है। तो ऐसे लोगों को देश की जनता समझती है।
Let's get you more breaking updates coming in. There's no end to the politics as the second batch of deportees is all set to land in the country today. P. Chidambaram of the Congress party says all eyes will be on the US aircraft which will land today in Amritsar, bringing back illegal immigrants. Will the deportees be handcuffed and their legs tied with ropes? It's a test for Indian diplomacy. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, there have been a lot of conversations around India's stance on the illegal immigrants and the way they had been brought back to the country. India has made its stance clear as far as the illegal immigrants being deported are concerned. But P. Chidambaram saying whether the deportees will be handcuffed and their legs tied with ropes or not is going to be a test for Indian diplomacy.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, Congress veteran leader P. Chidambaram, in fact, put out a post in social media stating that it will be a test of Indian diplomacy whether the illegal Indian immigrants who would be brought to Amritsar today, whether their hands will be handcuffed or whether their legs will be tied up or not. See, this particular point has been continuously raised by the opposition, continuously both inside and outside the parliament as well, because inside the parliament we had seen that protest from the opposition side had taken place where they had demanded clarification from the central government why a terrorist-like treatment was given to the Indian citizen. Now, the External Affairs Minister, Mr. S. Jaishankar, has clarified India's stance as well as the SOPs that were followed. Now, as per S. Jaishankar, these are the SOPs that were followed by the ICE, and these SOPs were in place since 2012. Now, S. Jaishankar also pointed out that deporting the illegal immigrants to India is a process which has been going on since 2009, and so far over 15,000 illegal Indian immigrants has been sent across to the country. Meanwhile, the S. Jaishankar also pointed out that how the Indian ministry is continuous in touch with the US counterpart to make sure that these illegal immigrants are not mistreated during the flight. The basic amenities are being provided while they are in their journey. But the opposition continues to maintain its stance that this should not happen and a terrorist-like treatment is being given to the Indian citizens who are being deported here. In fact, the Congress leaders from Punjab also pointed out that when there are people who belongs to the state of Haryana or belongs to the state of Gujarat, why isn't the flight being landed over there? Why is the flight continuously being landed in Amritsar?
Okay, all right. So let's see what happens today. In just a few hours from now, the US military aircraft is expected to arrive in Amritsar. Let's look at what politics plays out and how the illegal immigrants are brought back. Sabyasachi, for the moment, thank you for joining us. There's clearly no end to the politics over the issue. The opposition has questioned the silence of Prime Minister Modi over the Indian deportees. The opposition also alleging that Indians were migrating to the foreign nations for better opportunity. But the government has maintained that it was not persecution and it was in fact a process that has been followed since 2012.
जब 143 करोड़ के देश के प्रधानमंत्री से पूछा गया अवैध घुसपैठ पर, तो उन्होंने एक बार भी अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति के सामने हाथों में हथकड़ियां, पैरों में बेड़ियां, महिलाओं तक को नहीं बख्शा गया, जो हमारे लोगों के साथ प्रताड़ना की गई, जो उनको यातनाएं दी गई, जो इस देश का अपमान हुआ, उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला।
हमारा यही निवेदन होगा सरकार से और अपील होगी कि हमारे कोई भी हिंदुस्तानी बेड़ियों से और हथकड़ी से वापस लौट करके ना आए, और अगर विदेश जा रहे हैं लोग तो वो इसलिए जा रहे हैं क्योंकि उनके पास यहाँ अच्छी नौकरी नहीं है।
आप कह रहे हैं
वो घर परिवार छोड़ करके अगर जा रहे हैं तो वो इसलिए जा रहे हैं क्योंकि वहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी बेहतर मिल रही है, उनका जीवन अच्छा होगा, उन्हें कमाने का अच्छा मौका मिलेगा, अपने सपने पूरे करने का मौका मिलेगा।